As the name suggests, the resistance value of this resistor changes with the light. Whenever the light is falling on this resistor, the resistance value will be decreased drastically. This is also variable resistor, but this resistance value we cannot change mechanically. Like potentiometer, whenever we vary the shaft, we cannot change the resistance value. In this light dependent resistor, it is also called as LDR. Whenever we focus the light on this resistor, there is a conductive part. When the light falls on this resistor, obviously the resistance value will be decreased drastically, and when there is no light on this resistor, the resistance value is very much high. It is in the range of 1 mega ohm. 1 mega ohm means it is very high resistance. It will not allow the current in the circuit. About the LDR construction and working principle, you will learn in the second year. As of now, LDR means it is a variable resistor, and the variability of this resistor depends on the light. The resistance value can be varied by using the light. If we focus the more light, then the resistance value will be decreased more. And if there is no light, then the resistance value is very high. Because the resistance value is varying with respect to light, this is also called as light dependent resistor.